Hey guys, what's up? This is Turner from Dudes of Random, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit more about layouts. So you have layouts for J labels. You can place a layout on any object. So let's say we wanted our frame to not just hold one J, so our first frame in this program we have right now, not just to hold a next button, but also an exit button and a what is it called? A instructions label where it says what to do. Then we would have to add a layout, because otherwise, if there was no layout, there would only be one that would be able to be added to that label. So what we will do is, here we go. Okay, we are going to create another J label instruction, new J label. Click next to continue and exit to exit. Okay, pretty straightforward. You guys, you all know that. Okay, now we're going to create another button. We want an exit button. So we're going to say exit is new J button. Exit. Now we're going to say okay, that's exit. Okay, what we want to do now is, I'll give it a color. I'll say next dot set. Okay, here we go. We'll just copy these two. I'll call this exit. Alright, because the letters can just be black. Okay. We have the instruction label right now. What we now need to do is the layout. So, because this is where we are adding the layout. So what we're just going to do is let me just do this. Okay, let me just show you what would happen now. So in this case, on the top we want the instruction to do add instruction. And then we do have at the bottom, we want to have exit, of course. Add exit. Oh, let me do one more thing before we carry on. Exit dot add action listener, and then we do new action listener, control space, control space. Alright, yep, I can see the problem here. Voila. Okay, that's how it's meant to be, and we'll say system dot exit. And we just need to put a number there, just put 0. Okay. Now we need to do, okay, so if we were to run this code right now, there's only one button, exit, because it will add this, and it will put the instruction in the bottom, then we'll put next on top, and then we'll put exit on top. So we have to make it in a way that, let's say we want our frame to have 3 spaces going down. So what you do is you say frame1 dot set layout, and then you do new grid layout. I can see why. Let's just do it like that. Yeah, if I'm correct. And you can do three rows. That's right. And 1 column is what we need. And now, oh, it's grid layout. Whoops. So I was right. Alright, new grid layout, import here. Okay, so you have to import that. Okay, so now, watch and learn. Okay, yeah, do whatever you need to do. It has click next to continue and exit to exit. So now it has our little code here. You can exit, it exits, and we can click next. What we can also do, we can do Ctrl/ this and just copy this part. And if you don't set a title, you can also just do this. Oh wait, sorry. Wherever you're creating frame 1, you can do this. So, turn it. Alright. Oh, I see. Because we decided to create our J frames outside, which I'm just gonna remove because I don't know why we would want that. So I might have had my reasons in a few other videos before, but I see no cause now. Okay, and then this should work. Oh, great. We just do new grid layouts 3x1. Oh, whoops, sorry. Okay, that's not going to work for a J-frame. That only works for frames. Okay, guys? They'll make the same mistakes I make. They're just stupid. Alright, J-frame 1 is new J-frame. And oh, okay. I just found out why I put my stuff inside. I remember. Because the action listener don't like it. Now all we have to do is just put static and another static. I don't want to type it. Okay, and we just put this right back. So that's how layouts work. If you were to put a 2 on the other side, you would have 2, and you have to always add them in order. So if you have 2 rows on this side, we're going to have now 1 and then 2 on the right, and number 3 will be below the 1. Okay, it doesn't work because it's not full. So that's why you don't do it. So it goes from left to right and then down when you're adding them. So in order. Instruction next, like you're reading a book in that order. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something. Goodbye.